Wall Street just found crypto's next money printer, and most people have no idea what's coming. While everyone's distracted by Bitcoin's latest price swings, the biggest financial institutions on the planet are quietly preparing to launch perpetual futures to retail investors. And if you think the Bitcoin ETF approval was massive, this could be 10 times bigger. Here's what's happening right now. The same firms that brought us spot Bitcoin ETFs are now pushing for perpetual futures products that everyday Americans can buy through their regular brokerage accounts. We're talking about Fidelity, BlackRock, Charles Schwab, the giants. But first, let me explain what perpetual futures actually are, because this is where it gets interesting. In traditional finance, a futures contract has an expiration date. You agree to buy or sell something at a specific price on a specific future date. Simple enough. Perpetual futures are different. They never expire. You can hold your position forever if you want. It's like a futures contract that just keeps rolling forward automatically. Crypto traders have been using these for years on platforms like Binance and Bybit. Here's why Wall Street is obsessed with bringing these to Main Street. Perpetual futures let you trade with leverage, meaning you can control a large position with a small amount of money. They also let you profit whether prices go up or down, unlike spot ETFs where you just buy and hope it goes up. The crypto industry has already proven there's massive demand for this. Perpetual futures trading volume regularly exceeds spot trading volume by 3 to 5 times. That's trillions of dollars flowing through these contracts every month. Now imagine what happens when Fidelity puts a perpetual futures product right next to your index funds in your retirement account. The floodgates open. But here's the part nobody's talking about. This connects directly to the ISO 20022 banking revolution happening behind the scenes. For those new to this, ISO 20022 is the new global standard for financial messaging that banks are adopting worldwide. Several major cryptocurrencies like XRP, XLM, and ALGO are built to be ISO 20022 compliant. That means they're designed to integrate seamlessly with the new banking infrastructure. When perpetual futures products launch for retail investors, which tokens do you think will be prioritized? The ones that banks can actually plug into their existing systems without regulatory nightmares. The ISO 20022 tokens have been positioning themselves for exactly this moment. Think about it logically. Banks are going to offer perpetual futures on every random meme coin. They'll start with Bitcoin and Ethereum, sure. But the next wave will be tokens that meet regulatory standards and integrate with traditional finance infrastructure. This is the bridge between old money and new money actually being built in real time. Here's what you need to watch for in the coming months. First, regulatory filings from major brokerages requesting approval for crypto perpetual futures products. These will likely start appearing in the next quarter. Second, pay attention to which specific cryptocurrencies get included in these products. The first movers will have a massive advantage as retail money flows in. Third, watch for education campaigns from these financial institutions. They'll need to teach millions of people what perpetual futures are and how to use them. That educational push will drive awareness and adoption faster than anything we've seen before. And finally, monitor the ISO 20022 compliant tokens. If major institutions start offering perpetual futures on XRP, XLM, YLGO, or others in that category, it validates the entire thesis about traditional finance integration. The Bitcoin ETF brought in billions of institutional dollars. Perpetual futures could bring the retail trading army that's been sitting on the sidelines because their broker doesn't offer crypto. This is educational content only, not financial advice. Always do your own research before investing. Perpetual futures involve leverage and significant risk, especially for beginners. But understanding what's coming lets you position yourself ahead of the crowd. While everyone else is reacting to the news, you'll already know why it matters. Follow Stack Daily 60 for daily crypto and money tips.